Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, TeaTimeStyleTime. Today I just have a short video from a trip to the garden center.
It's cute because you see the little flowers inside there. These are only 12. These are only $3.
Here are some of the flowers I picked up at the garden center. You will see marigolds. These are African daisies. I have a red succulent called I think it's a flaming Katy. These are purple freesias. There's also another succulent here. I really like the coloring of the red and green. Purple petunia, which are in season here in where I am. The impatient, which I really like the name for. They do really well in shade. I have a few more flowers here, including lavender, a clay blue something, I forget the exact name for this succulent, but just a few different types of flowers. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. I'll see you on the next go round.